Hey, it was supposed to park in reverse. Classy.
This is the hook I want to get.
You guys heading out? All right, man. See you guys next time. Take it easy. All right, Camry scene is going down today here in San Francisco. Goes all the way down there.
Nissan?
Huh?
Are you talking about Nissan?
Both of them. That is a friend.
This is the truck, right? This is the car.
If you guys like to modify your Camry like me, or whatever car you drive, our channel sponsor KOCF has the largest collection of carbon fiber parts at the best prices. They specialize in real carbon fiber Gen 8 Camry parts, but have over 10,000 auto parts for countless makes and models. KOCF.com has everything from body kits, hoods, trunks, fenders, spoilers, RGB color changing headlights, tail lights, steering wheels, and many interior parts. They got it all. To support this channel and save 10%, use code KC10 at KOCF.com. If you own a Camry, go directly to KOCF.com/CamryVIP. And if you like what you see, consider becoming a VIP member before making any purchase. This way you can maximize your savings and get a $50 to $100 gift card. Once logged into your VIP account, you get exclusive access to the website, unlocking special VIP prices up to 50% off, group buys, exclusive member-only raffles, and my favorite, VIP members are automatically entered to win $1,000 a month in giveaways. Find them on Instagram at King of Carbon Fiber. You can check them out there. Remember to use code KC10 at KOCF.com to shop for your favorite car parts and to support this channel.